Hey everyone, I'm Rishi Prakash, and in this video, we're going to talk about how you can get a digital marketing course for completely free, and this course is offered by Google. Also, after completion of this course, you will get a free certificate which you can use on your LinkedIn profile or you can also use on your resume. The link to the course is given in the description box, but first watch this video and then go to the description box. To earn money, we have to learn a skill, and digital marketing is a very high paying skill in this modern world. Now let's talk about what is marketing. It is the activity of showing and advertising a company's product in a best possible way. Some of the common examples of marketing are the ad which you might have seen in television or ad on magazine, newspaper, billboard, etc. Now let's talk about what is digital marketing. As the name suggests, marketing which is done digitally through the means of internet, search engine or social media. You might have seen an ad before starting this video, and this is some perfect examples of digital marketing. There are 26 modules in this course, and after each module you will get some question answers like true or false MCQs, which make this course very interesting. You can also learn digital marketing very easily. It is not that much complicated to learn. One of my friend named Sasank has completed this course and got this certificate which you can see here. He used this certificate in his LinkedIn profile on his resume. After learning this skill, you can be also benefited a lot. You can apply for an internship, you can apply for a job, part-time job. You can start your freelancing journey. You can also start your agency. You can also learn how this creator economy work and a lot more. I am personally learning this course and I have completed 12 modules of this. I got a lot of value from this course, and I hope you will also get a lot of value from this course. So yeah, that's all for this video, and if you got something value out of this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to this channel if you are new. You can also tag me on Instagram. You can connect with me on LinkedIn. I will catch you up in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.